Hello everybody, hope you're doing good. I'm Ignas from Daily Pips Trading, and I'm gonna talk a lot about my TradingView setup today. Templates, Fibonacci's, settings, and all that good stuff, not only to save your time, but maybe to learn something new. So let's dig in. I'm using quite an extensive array of predefined templates for myself, trend lines itself. I use quite a variety of trend lines, right? So please I don't mind you taking screenshots. I'm here to help. So trend lines itself, right? I use them a lot. I use them every day. So I'm literally trying to avoid, this might sound weird, but the more buttons I press, that means the more time I waste. So since I'm pressing about like whatever, 3,000, 4,000 mouse buttons every single day, if I can make it to 2,000 from 4,000, why not, right? So I'm thinking in that way while it's using templates. So templates itself, I'm using quite a few things on the trend lines. So it is bearish breakout block, order block itself, which is possibly bearish or bullish. Sometimes I play with 8:30 or 9:30 opening prices, so I have templates for that, right? Break of market structure. This is something that we all work with on constant basis. And then I have some buy-side liquidity levels that I play with. So whether it is a daily liquidity or just buy-side resting above, you see how much time I save while it's not having to type it out. And consequent encroachment for 50% levels. Fair value gaps in terms of drawing two lines to note that. That is quite self-explanatory as well. Midnight open, partials being taken, this is all you guys can work with, and maybe some other things that not many traders use, which is I always have a template for previous day highs and lows, which I'm always noting. These are templates for that, so it makes it very easy to use. SMTs, one of the best things that we know about trading ICT concepts, right? Together with me. And sell side, just like buy side levels, resting below, easy to use. Sell side in general, daily liquidity above or below the market price, right? And then two leftovers is target, right? So instead of me drawing the lines and punching information in, I have a template for targets as well, where it's short targets or buy targets. So templates on horizontal lines, trend lines here, right? Boxes itself have mainly fair value gaps here, but there's a few other things, right? So I note agent range, so I use a template for that. Fair value gaps, as you see, corrections are some places in the market that I want to see a correction in it, reversal, turning market price turning around. So I always have these in front of me, and then I use inverted fair value gaps, right? Last time I used it was 5 minutes, so you get a 5-minute template in front of you. And then I use OTEs and price gaps in terms of, I use that for new day opening gaps, right? So it literally, it's a template that pushes the box to the right, which is quite useful, Another template is horizontal lines. So buy side, sell side resting above, self-explanatory. But maybe 2 or 3 other horizontal lines that I use that you might not is for opening price. Just do golden lines for that. I use volume imbalances a lot on daily and 4-hour. So volume imbalance is something as a template I use as well. And new week opening gaps, which is something that I really want you guys to learn, and then we're gonna continuously talk about it a lot, right? Everything. So first 3. Take your time, stop the video, do copy paste it, I don't mind. Everything else is very self-explanatory in terms of notes, buy and sell positions, vertical line, arrows, brushes, but fibs is something that I see Twitter community and even my own Discord community asking a lot about. Domas asked about it today even, so there's a few fib setups that I use. One of it is one standard deviation. Why I do that? Because I always want to know, so if we have a ranging market right here, what is the range itself and how much it is if we take that range and double it, right? How far away from it are we? So if you want to take a screenshot of this, these are the settings of me using that 1 standard deviation, and I have always premium discount with 50% level and 3 main optimal trade entry guidelines here with 62, with 79 and 70.5 resting in the middle, and then 70.5 according to ICT is the golden level. So I love using that. I love working with that. Okay. Another fib is 50%. So just to find discount and premium, self-explanatory. Flout is something that I use for measurements and scaling targets, right? So if I have something, let's say this that I want to play with, right? I want to see where I'm scaling off, right? So if I'm entering a trade which has a range, a predetermined range, right? I want to see where I take the initial target, 2 standard deviations, 3, and I think it goes even to 10 or something like that. So this is a fun fib, and fib levels for this are found here. Okay, so it goes to 5 standard deviations. So take a screenshot of this, make your own adjustments, feel free. So fib flout, optimal trade entry, I just explained about it, so I just use that for optimal trade entry. I haven't shown it on stream ever yet, so not too popular, I guess. Regular fib, self-explanatory again, it just has a lot more flouting standard deviations. So take a look at these levels. I'm always playing around with them. And final one, TJF. So TJF is a lovely setup that I like to use. So for example, if the market was trading to the upside from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, created a high on Thursday, Friday I want to see a retracement to 20 or 30% level, so I have actually a fib for that. If there's a fair rally gap in this range at 20-30%, I always take those setups to short if the market was going to the upside the whole week. So I even have a fib ready to go for this, so put this on your templates list. I think it can be helpful. So I hope you like this. I hope you enjoyed this, and you can take good use of it. I know you watched it, so give it a like, subscribe, and don't forget to join the Discord community. Stay safe, guys.